paint that you need to put in the paint over there, and start, stop, destroy means if you close your web page, everything get destroyed. That thread which started executing and painting that get destroyed. So init, start, stop, paint, stop, and destroy. These are the possible methods which you need to override if you want to define the entire applet by using complete life cycle. Right? Many times it may not require, because many times you directly give a call to the paint and you apply the painting logic in that and everything is over. Now, why we need to learn Applet? To understand the mechanism of graphics, to understand the classes provided by Java for the graphical visualizations. In console, we are having a system of println, it provides drawstring, draw oval, draw arc, like many more methods might be used, arc and all these stuff. So, for the sake of graphical visualizations, we are exploring the library defined by Applet. And if you want to define the complete, like like when the init operation will perform, this has to be initialized. When the start operation will be performed, paint operation will perform, what to do at that situation, that you can define by overriding these all the methods, right? Init, start, paint, stop, and destroy. So after understanding this, not only the paint, there are many more methods you need to override for performing applet operation. But basically, static applet is not a big deal, because you can put the image, you can draw a rectangle, you can fill the rectangle, you can draw the oval. It's like the graphical part you can able to create using applet. But now the next thing is, one thing, how I can create a dynamic applet. Now what is dynamic applet means? Static applet means your applet was doing nothing. It was just a static, might be a smiling face, but like, or some images you might be created identity card or something, but nothing dynamically happening. It was just graphical visualization, that's it. But if you want to animate something, like for example animation is a better example of dynamic applet. Just like if you want to, like, try and understand one point. If I ask you to scroll your name even on the screen, what logic probably you are using? If you just imagine this, like what I want to do, I want to scroll my name continuously on the screen. If you are a C programmer, you probably first thing you will think about the go to XY function. What go to XY function will do? It will locate any position. So probably the dynamic XY you require, X stands for your column position and Y maybe stands for your row position. So now go to XY, if you can set in a loop, means where you are keeping your row constants and column you are exchanging. So if you think in this manner, you are right, but you are partial right. You can't able to develop the dynamic things like that, because you need to change the position at the same time halt, because how one person looks, he is walking, or because he is exchanging his position. At particular fraction of second, I saw him at this position, X and Y. At the fraction of seconds, I saw him in the X1 and Y1. So the image of that particular person which was available in the X and Y need to be wiped out. And it should give me the fraction of seconds. So alteration of image, right, from continuously in a time interval. I'll get my point. Because imagine the situations, if a person I can view at X and Y, at the next moment I am viewing it again in the X1 and Y1, and if at both the positions if the image is available, then what will